Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube video here now today. Basically, my abandoned Mini has been in this shed for quite a while, and we're just going to come and see if we can resurrect it. I don't think it's going to start because, we'll cover that in a minute. As you can see, here it is, and it's missing quite a few parts. The engine's over there somewhere. I have a new subframe down here to go into it. I think originally why I took it apart was something to do with the subframe. I'm not 100% sure. It's been here quite a while. A couple of my friends used it as their wedding car. It was my wedding car, and I guess what we're going to do is we're going to bring it back to life one way or another. Now what I'll do is I'll meet you over at the engine in a minute. So this is the engine that was in the car. It's a pretty serious 1360. It's got a Swift tune cam. The head was done by a man in the UK called Keith Calvert. It's got all kinds of fancy clutches and fancy this and fancy that. At one stage it was running a turbocharger, that's around here somewhere. We also had a supercharger that we might put on it. Sorry now about the noise, there's a lot of other stuff going on outside. Who knows what we'll do. But basically the plan is to try and get this Mini somewhat rolling, get it out of this shed, get the engine back in it and get it back on the road. It's been abandoned I think now for long enough. And as you can see, all the bits are just everywhere. So I'll also have to get my motorbike out of the way. I have a new subframe here for it that I modified to fit the car. The car is running a megajolt ECU, so we'll kind of go through that as well. I'll probably change the steering rack as I have it taken apart. I might change these brake hoses as well to flexible hoses. I think they're really good, the flexible brake hoses. And other than that, should be straightforward. We'll see how we get on, so tune in for more.